We are really excited to roll out a new product. This is going to be one of many in the next few months. This is a new twist on an old favorite. This is our corner stacker, and these are in our new signature green color. These allow you to stack trays on top of each other, but they also hold the corner so the tray cannot move around. These are universal. They'll fit the small trays, they'll fit the medium trays, and they'll fit the large trays as well. And when you're ordering, a small set will be 8, enough to stack 3 trays. Medium set will be 12, enough to stack 4 trays. Large set will be 16, enough to stack 5 trays. These are high density polyethylene plastic. They're food grade, they're dishwasher safe, they make easy cleanup, and they're extremely sturdy. Here's 10 large size trays stacked. It locks them into place, and you can transport this to your next freeze drying adventure. I hope you guys are as excited about these as I am. We've been working hard into developing new products, and in the next few months we'll be releasing some new products that I think you're going to be really excited about. With that being said, if you have a product that you'd like to see developed, or you have one that you'd like to develop yourself and something that would be a good fit for our store, feel free to reach out to us.